Hello, my name is Ruslan Abdulin, and I'm going to present the application for the web programming introduction course. I created this web application which looks and feels like my own Linux desktop environment. I added this line, and current time it's a part of the application. I also created this background image. I took an asset of a rabbit, I colored it, and I added it also alongside with the sign with the name of the desktop. I also added this dock with different applications. When you can open them, you can open them at the same time. You can move them around, and yeah, when you put it, you can stack them one on top of another. The last one will be the top one. But let's go through the applications one by one. Let's start with memory game. The concept of the memory game is that you open different boxes and try to memorize what is inside and try to match. In my case, it's colors. You need to match different colors, and then they disappear if you don't match. They return back to default. When all the cards are open, the game is over. I'm terrible at it, sorry. And it says how many attempts you spend doing this game. As a feature, you can change the background, the back color of the boxes. It can be blue, dark blue for one application, or it can be pink for another, and you can play several games independently. The next application is chat application. When you basically it's just a chat when you put your name and the message you want to send, and it sends to the chat. The name is stored in local storage, but you can change it at any moment. It's like my feature for the chat application, and it will change on fly. Then the next one is the application of my choice. I decided to go for to-do list application. Let's try. I want to be president. Now it appears, but actually I'm already a president. I'm a president of Cooperative Student Organization, so we can consider it as done. And the only thing to do for now is to win the world. That's pretty much it about the desktop environment. Let's go to and take a look at some implementation detail. So very fast about the implementation part. For the implementation, I use index HTML file. It's like a base of the application, and index.js file which fulfills the main logic of the application, like dragging and dropping. And for every single application inside the application, I have a dedicated module. One for module for chat application, one for memory game, one for time, and one for to-do application. And also I have an application factory which implements the commonly known pattern called factory pattern. When you ask for a type of application, and the factory creates a window, and puts the chosen application inside the window. So you can put a memory game inside the window, or a to-do list inside the window, or a chat application inside the window, and then you return the window. Also, I have to say that I connected an object with the window of the application, with the HTML window, by creating a custom field object and connecting this object to the window itself, because before you return the window to the HTML environment. That's pretty much it. I have to say that I enjoyed writing this desktop application. I learned a lot, and I would like to extend it probably in future, because I like it very much. Thank you for your attention. Bye bye.